So I do get asked questions about how I keep my hair moisturized and my curls popping for a lot of days out of the week. So this is how I do it. I'm just gonna show you how I deep condition my hair to just keep it moisturized. I do this about once a week every time I wash my hair. So here we go. What you're going to need is some melted coconut oil, any conditioner of your choice, avocado, and any other oil you desire. Gonna mix it up, and this is what you're gonna get. So I'm gonna start with my hair freshly washed. Whenever I wash my hair, I always part it into 4 sections because then it is easier to detangle and manage. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take each section and I'm just going to apply that deep conditioner that I mixed. So I usually start from the back, which is easier. So you're gonna take that mixture that you made, and I always apply from my tips, so my ends. I always apply from my ends to my root because my ends need it the most. That is the oldest part of my hair, so I always apply my deep conditioner from the bottom up, and I just use my fingers to detangle as I go. So when I'm done with that section, I take a white tooth comb and I just start detangling from the bottom up, same principle, just to get out some of the knots that I might have in my hair. I do like using a white tooth comb for this because the teeth are wider and they give more space, and it's just easier to detangle that way. So when I'm done with the section, after detangling it, I just like to loosely twist it just to get it out of the way, and then I move over to the next section. So everything that's going to happen next is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm just going to speed up the video. Enjoy! So when I'm done applying the deep conditioner and detangling each section of my hair, I just like taking the remaining deep conditioner and I then apply a lot of it to my edges, just to also make sure that every strand of hair is covered over there, because we also need to deep condition our edges. So I will deep condition my edges, and I will also deep condition the nape of my hair, or the back of my neck, or the kitchen. So that's what I'll do. I'll just apply deep conditioner to those sensitive areas, because they do receive the most breakage, I'll say, and they need the most moisture. So when I'm done with everything, I will take a plastic bag. Plastic cap's too fancy. A normal, just clean grocery shopping bag or whatever, and I wrap it around my hair to just seal that in and let my body heat do the work. Then I take my microfiber towel and I'll also place that on my head just for extra heat retention and protection. And then lastly, to just add an extra layer, I'll take a towel and I'll also wrap that around my head. And then from here on, I will set my timer on for 45 minutes. You can leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour. So any naturalista will tell you how stressful wash day is. So I'll just relax by having a face mask on, or read a book, I'll drink some tea, just do whatever I need to do while I'm waiting for my hair to do its magic. Once the timer is done, I'm just gonna get up to go rinse my hair. A cold water rinse is always best, it locks in that moisture. And here I'm just patting my hair down with my microfiber towel. Do not rub your hair, ladies, just pat it down, and oh my goodness, look at all that shrinkage. Wow. So after I've just rinsed out the deep conditioner, I'll just section my hair into 4 sections again, and I will take a leave-in conditioner and apply it to all my sections, and then I'll seal it in with an oil, and I'll stretch out my hair. Sometimes I'll do a twist out or a bantu knot out. And yeah, if you want to see a video of either of those two, please comment down below. Do not forget to please like and subscribe to my channel for more hair videos coming up. Thank you guys.